sustenance of peace, we are deeply worried on how some sections of the media stereotype Fulbe. We are appealing to those sections of the media to stop the stereotype. Crime has no ethnicity or tribe. In this regard, FUDECO wishes to unequivocally state that bandits and other criminals are not representing Fulbe. Of the about 20 million pastoralists in Nigeria, less than 1% maybe can be regarded as criminals. How can the over 99% of us good Fulbe Nigerians be all branded as criminals? Conclusion. We equally wish to profoundly thank the Borno State Governor for supporting children in terms of enrollment into schools. This gigantic endeavor started from the past administration of Vice President, His Excellency Senator Kashim Shettima, GCON. Many Fulbe children were enrolled in reputed private schools. This momentum has been sustained by the current administration, and we sincerely appreciate. For his swift response to issues that threaten peace between pastoralists and farmers. His Excellency has recently constituted a committee to look into the remote causes of farmer-herder clashes in the state and status of grazing forest reserves, as well as cattle roads and resting points. Pastoralist did equal representation, and the committee has submitted its report, and we are confident that positive outcomes are coming. Additionally, FUDECO sincerely appreciates His Excellency for his support to pastoralists displaced by insurgency and the opening of some cattle markets to enable pastoralists buy and sell their cattle to service their needs. Furthermore, FUDECO wishes to thank His Excellency for establishing rural and the livestock directorate. This goes to confirm his commitment to the modern farming system and violence-free society. Finally, FUDECO Borno State Chapter wishes to humbly appeal to His Excellency for additional support in the following areas. 1. Cattle vaccination against diseases, ensure sustainable policies against encroachment on grazing reserves, cattle roads, resting points, and drinking points. Provide new earth dams and water points for pastoralists. Revive the nomadic school system to ensure pastoralists children acquire education.
Student Association University of Maiduguri. Thank you very much.
ba taro bane na kungiya guda daya, taro ne na Fulani gaba daya. Mene ma'anar taro ne na Fulani gaba daya? Ƙoƙari hautugo hore amin kan wani min yi gaba daya wana ɗum ko FUDECO ko mi yetti Allah kawtal hore ko Catholic Breeders ko kuɗe Allah a ɗum taro fulɓe. Inda ya kita e lasiye taro ɗum imma Kaduna min gaɗi ɗum. Min gaɗi taro ɗum imma Kaduna himɓe daga Taraba, Adamawa, Damaturu, Sokoto, Kano, student fuɗe jahi taro. Kuma min bonni sosai, amma kuma hikka rangeni ma wuro e Maiduguri. Rawani hikka rangeni ma Maiduguri. To, ga Allah ɗum ko bolo wayni to hala kungiyaji. O foɗi. In ɗum wari waɗa hunde, to renda woni magata. Mai woni mawɗo. Ko wona mawɗo e makko ndiya muɗa. Ko wona mawɗo e mawɗo muɗum. Amma in ɗi ɗum arti ɗum hawti hoore e laare guda. Koda on laatoto ɗum kungiya non, ɗum kungiya amma laato e woni on mo jagoranci kungiya ɗum kanko.
Jangirde Blue Gate ko lawol komkomari nera Diiwal Borno.
Then